Alright, so hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, City of Electrons. So in this video we are going to solve some problems. Okay, just one of them. Okay, so of course we've done introduction to induction motor, we've done sleep, we've done frequency of rotor current, and then now I want to work with those formulas derived so far. Okay, of course the formulas are gotten from the definition, like the concept, and then we use the formulas to solve the problems. Okay, now, but in case you are not too familiar with the formulas, don't worry, as we make use of them, you'll get used to them. Okay, you get stored in your brain somehow, stored with you. Okay, so now what we are asked to do in this question, let's just read the question first. Question says a slip ring induction motor runs at 290 rpm revolution per minute, rpm rotation per minute, at full load at full load when connected to 50 hertz supply. Determine the number of poles and slip, where ns equals 300 rpm. So the first thing to do, like we were told by our lecturer, which is very, very important, data collection, very important. This will save you a lot of mental stress, your mental health. So data collection. So the first thing we are asked to look for, let's just go through the line. Okay, what do we have there? We have 250 rpm, and what is this? It is the induction motor runs. So this is the rotor speed, and we say that is denoted with n, right? So 290 rpm. What else do we have? Go to the equation. When connected to 50 hertz supply, that means our supply frequency f is 50 hertz. What next? What do we have next? We check. Determine the number of poles. We have to look for poles. We don't know. And then slip also. We have to look for slip. We still don't know. We don't know. And we are given that ns, which is the rotating field of the stator, or the synchronous speed, is 300 rpm. Good. Time to solve. Now, since we have these, we can go into action by saying, recall that we are looking for poles now. The formula we have that includes pole or have pole in it, we have more than one, but the one that's close to it, in which we have other parameters, ns equals 120. Yeah, remember this from what we calculated when we were talking about sleep. Remember this. So ns equals 120 f over p. Do we have ns? Yes. Do we have f? Frequency? Yes, we have frequency. Do we have poles? No, we do not have poles. Poles is what we are looking for. Poles is what we are looking for. So all we have to do is just make poles subject of the formula, and then voila. So this will give us P equals 120 F over NS, right? 1 point now. Alright, then what happens next? P equals 120. Our frequency is what? 50. Our NS is 300. Is that correct? Yeah, that's correct. Let me see. Am I sure? Yeah, NS is 300. Then what happens next? P, we just give our final answer. Do the multiplication there. And calculator with me. Do our multiplication there, and that will give us 20 poles. Remember, we don't really have fractions with poles, okay? Yeah. So 20 poles. 0 file. That will be 20 poles. Okay? So we've gotten our first answer. So we'll go to the second one, which is for sleep. Remember, sleep is just the difference. Let's say sleep in percentage, okay? Difference in speed. But we want to use it in percentage now. Multiplied by 100. So of course, just put in the values. Okay? So NS is 300. This is 290 over 300 multiplied multiplied by 100. Okay, and of course that will give us a fraction, which is S will be equal to 3.33%. Final answer. So we're done with that question. But I'm done. But if, like this, if you want to calculate your sleep, your frequency of rotor current, you can also do that too. Okay, although it's not in this question, but if you want to do that, just say this equals SF, right? And we have our S here, okay, which is S here is, if you divide this by 100, that's to take out the percentage, you have 0.012333. Okay, 1 2, very correct. And that will be multiplied by what? Our frequency is 50, so this will now give us what? This will give us 1.67 hertz. Okay, all right, so yeah, that's the solution right there. Okay, that's the solution right there. So when to look for, yeah, that's our solution right there. So we have P 20 poles, and then for our sleep 3.33%. That's the percentage. This part is not, this is not part of the equation. We just, like, if you want to do it, you just use that same formula. Okay, so I hope this video helps, and if you have any question or anything like contribution, put it in the comment section. Subscribe, like, share, and see you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching, and bye for now.